Coaching sessions are important for professional development, especially in companies that value strong leadership. They provide a space for people to learn from each other, share ideas, and improve their skills, ultimately helping them grow in their careers. Objectives are outlined the key learning points of a coaching session. They aim to define what coaching and a coaching session are, detail the steps involved in a coaching cycle, and list the benefits derived from coaching sessions. Essentially, the goal is to provide a comprehensive understanding of the coaching process.
You hear the word coaching. What springs to mind? Football coach? Acting coach? Vocal coach? Maybe even a financial coach? Confusing, isn't it? Well, coach has become such a popular title that it's being used by lots of professions, often with no training. And sometimes coaching is just a fancy way of saying, I'll ask you a few questions and then tell you what I think you should do. Well, let's clear the air a little bit about coaching. Coaching is often confused with therapy, consulting, and mentoring. Now, those are great helping professions, but they're not professional coaching. Here's the difference. Therapists focus on the past and work to fix what's broken. Consultants provide quantitative analysis and create roadmaps for organizational change. They get paid to provide answers. Mentors help those with less experience. Mentors are already experts in their field and are helping others reach success. Now, there may be some overlaps in approach, but none of these are professional coaching. Professional coaching is a different type of conversation. There's a whole lot of asking and not much telling. Professional coaches are focused on you, helping you design your future, your goals. They're thought-provoking and inspirational. You work on your topic. A professional coach focuses on you. Professional coaches are also discerning listeners, empathetic, creative, intuitive, and curious. They're trained in coaching behaviors and competencies, which makes them really good coaches, and they're bound by professional standards and ethics. A professional coach will be your partner, your advocate, your champion. Want to try things you've only imagined? We're Smith Leadership. We believe it's all about what's possible, not what's limiting. Your future is waiting for you. We'll help you design it. Call us. A professional Smith Leadership coach will speed you along your way.
As a developmental process, coaching provides individuals with the tools, knowledge, and opportunities needed to fully develop their potential and become effective. As a collaborative partnership, coaching is a design alliance focused on helping an individual become their best self and contribute their unique talents and skills best fit. This emphasizes the supportive and collaborative nature of the coaching relationship. Egoless process coaching is described as a process where the coach's ego is minimized, allowing for the creation of coachable moments. These moments facilitate identifying distinction and encourage positive changes in thinking and behavior. Professional discipline. Coaching is framed as a professional discipline with a specific skill set. This skill set enhances performance, action, creativity, momentum, and transformation. Industry-specific skill. The slide highlights coaching as a skill and derived growth and performance development for agents and managers, specifically within the IT BPM industry. When one attends a coaching session, the recipients of the coaching should keep in mind that this activity is an opportunity to learn and share best practices with fellow attendees. Keep an open mind when you attend and do not be hesitant to ask questions that may help you become an effective leader in the future. Example, Maria, a customer service agent, is struggling with work-life balance. Her supervisor uses life coaching techniques to help her set realistic personal goals, improve time management, regular exercise that align with her professional goals, increase efficiency, reduce stress. By aligning these goals, the supervisor helped Maria improve her overall well-being and performance at work. This approach boosts her motivation and job satisfaction. Executive coaching or business performance coaching. This focuses on improving individual or team performance. Career coaching, typically conducted by a mid to senior level manager to help junior employees achieve their career's goal. Behavioral coaching. This is focused coaching aimed at improve specific performance areas like attendance, engagement, job satisfaction, and cultural alignment. Minorship. This involves a close coaching relationship between a senior employee and a junior employee or subordinate. The primarily goal is often talent development and succession planning, ensuring a ready replacement if a senior position becomes vacant. As a future leader in the industry, the GROW model will also help you learn to mentor team members. The GROW model is a step-by-step process that starts with establishing goals and concludes when the team member declare will commitment. Step 1. Establishing the goal. This slide outlines the first step in goal setting. Establishing a SMART goal. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. This slide emphasizes that a well-defined goal should incorporate all 5 of these criteria. This slide provides guiding questions to help clarify and define goals. How will you know that you have achieved the goal? And how will you know the problem is solved? These questions help ensure goals are measurable and the success criteria are clearly defined.
Step 2. Examine current reality focuses on discussing the identified goal. For instance, your current score on technical knowledge is 78%. By the end of the month, you aim to hit the 85% mark. This step explore the options, allows the leader to let you think of contingencies if the first action item will not work. This will allow you to come up with multiple action items or a means to meet and even exceed your goal. This final step in the GROW models is to establish the will. Establish the will is about getting your commitment. Then we'll achieve the specified goal. Coaching rhythm. Crucial aspect of coaching is cadence. This refers to the frequency of the coaching sessions or a given period, established by the consistency or regularity of the coaching cadence, which establishes a culture of accountability and ownership where coaching is viewed as a positive experience rather than a nitpicking session to point out mistakes. Based on research and experience, coaching sessions are necessary because it enables the team members and employees to perform better, especially when coached positively rather than constantly being evaluated and rated. It provides employees with a more positive outlook, inspiring performance especially from the more reserved or reluctant. It promotes career self-reliance with engaged employees in the continuous career development. It promotes creativity, performance, and action across the organization. As a future leader in the industry and recipient of this process, you are now armed with fundamental concepts that will help you prepare to become a good leader who values and leverages coaching and the opportunities it provides. Appendix A. 5 key stage to coaching conversation. This slide outlines a 5-stage coaching conversation process. Diagnosis. assessing performance, validation, confirming observations, conversation, direct feedback and root cause analysis, accountability, setting expectations and goals, and testing, monitoring progress and performance. Each stage lists specific tools and techniques. Appendix B. Sample coaching calendar for skill development. This slide presents a sample 4-week coaching calendar. Each week focuses on different aspects of skill development, aligning with the stage in slide A. Activities include reviewing past performance, setting goals, conducting role plays, and monitoring progress. The calendar shows a cyclical process with activities building upon each other across the 4 weeks.